Hey guys, welcome to the review channel. Check out this awesome umbrella. I'm doing a quick review on. I'm going to show you a little bit all about this umbrella. This thing is fantastic. Stay tuned. I'm going to give you all the specs. Let's go. Today I'm looking at this awesome umbrella by Shedrain. I want to thank them so much for sending it to me. This is a really high quality umbrella, guys. Vortex vent technology in this. This thing is absolutely amazing and massive. It's going to give you a ton of coverage. It's just, you can see the look of this umbrella here. It comes like you see here. It's got a nice cover on it. Let's take this cover off. Let's go over some of the specs on this thing. We just pull this off. Super easy, nice cover. You can see that comes right off. You can see this umbrella here. This thing is absolutely massive. It's going to give you tons of coverage. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. Now, this is fantastic, especially for the wind. And it's the windy out today, so it's actually a nice test today. You can see here how this looks. Really super, super nice. See how this is all made, the construction here, how this is all done, how it's all made. And it's got this venting technology here that helps with the wind, so you can really resist all the winds. It's got this beautiful, beautiful handle on it. I'm going to give you some of the specs real quick, and you can just see how awesome this thing looks. I'm outside today. It's a little windy, so, but it's got the UPF, so like UV protection. So UPF is 15, which is about 94% of the UV protection, which is nice to know. It's got the pressure relief vent. And that's right here. These are the pressure relief vents we're talking about right here. That's what those are. Take a look at that. It's got the Vortex, I guess, Vortex vent system. That's what they're calling it. Anti-inversion struts. That's what these are. These are anti-inversion struts. Look at these things. This is built like a beast. Check out these struts. When's the last time you saw struts on an umbrella like that? That's ridiculous. High quality, super strong, and that's really important as well. And this company's been around for a long time. They make high quality things here. Again, energy absorbing shock absorbers. That's what these are. So you got this is also shock absorbers, energy absorbing shock absorbers. You can see that. How it runs all down the shaft here. That's really important as well. That's really important to have. It's got tip tensioning system, aircraft aluminum. This is made out of aluminum here. I thought it was polycarbonate, but it's not. It's actually aluminum, which is really high quality aluminum, which is aircraft aluminum, which is really nice. Thermoplastic rubber grip here. So the grip here, right here. Thermoplastic rubber grip, 62-inch umbrella. This thing is massive. They give you a ton of coverage. 39 inches when it's closed. That's the length of it, and a little over 2 pounds. That's the weight. And those are the specifications on it. And you can just see how awesome this umbrella is. Now I'm going to take a walk out with it on. You can see how it looks. I want you to see today, honestly, but you can just see how it's handling. I got a little bit of breeze going, and it's just an awesome, awesome umbrella. Super strong, super industrial. Guys, if you're looking for a high quality umbrella, if you're golfing, you want a little UV protection, you got a little sun out today, you can see how awesome this is, just covering everything. And it's just, you can walk around. It just gives you a ton of coverage. In the rain, you can fit 2 or 3 people under here with 62 inches. That's plenty of space. I think this is a fantastic, fantastic item, guys. I think this is one of the ones you should pick up. I definitely want to thank them so much for sending it to me. Like one of the coolest umbrellas I've seen, and definitely appreciate them sending it. And this is the real deal, guys. This is heavy duty stuff. It's got this venting here. This venting here helps with the wind, so that it'll really take a lot of pressure. Should be no problem with the anti-inversion, which is really nice. It's all branded. You can see on the umbrella itself. It's just got so much technology. The umbrellas have come so far, and I'm just impressed. And here's that button I was telling you about. So if you didn't see it right here, quick release. Everything is big, nice venting. So if you're shooting like I am and you want some coverage, there you go. You don't get wet. That's really kind of cool. And you can see it is huge. Absolutely love this thing, guys. Fantastic. Pick this up. I think it's definitely, I'm going to recommend this 1,000%. Honestly, it's worth every dime. These are not cheap umbrellas, but you do get what you pay for. And you see all the other ones falling apart all the time. And this one here is not going to do that for you. So I say it's a buy in my book. High quality, not too heavy. It works fantastic. Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate your time as always. I hope I brought you some value with something like this here. Companies do reach out to me now and then, and when I see something really, really nice, I like to share it with my audience. This is one here. Here's the tip right here. It's got a nice tip on it. It's got that case I showed you, and it was just super. I'm telling you, this is really nice. This is like a tent, you know, the tent material. It reminds me of that really high quality stuff right here. It's not going anywhere. I love it. Check this out, guys. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching.